Welcome to an exciting journey into the complex world of creatine, a molecule that has a remarkable effect on our bodies while being small and mighty. Today we go out on an exciting scientific journey to learn everything there is to know about creatine, from its amazing roles and advantages to the hidden dangers. The unsung hero of muscle energy metabolism, creatine, serves as the starting point of our adventure. Creatine stands tall as the driving force behind every muscular contraction. Whenever you engage in activities that tax your muscles to the maximum, such as sprinting, weightlifting, or joyous dancing, you see, in order to release energy during intense exercise, your muscles quickly break down a chemical known as creatine phosphate. Creatine, a byproduct of this breakdown, enters your bloodstream afterward. Why does this matter though? You see, throughout exercise and other physically demanding tasks, your muscles can sustain optimal function thanks to this ongoing cycle of creatine phosphate breakdown and creatine release. It acts as a portable battery pack, giving your muscles the energy they need to be amazing. As we delve into the enigmatic world of the kidneys, creatine reveals its special relationship with these essential organs. It travels through the bloodstream like a microscopic messenger and arrives at the kidneys, where its concentration develops into a priceless sign of the well-being of these champions of filtering. You see, good kidneys function relentlessly to remove waste and extraneous chemicals from your blood, while preserving vital minerals and water. They resemble sophisticated sieves. The glomeruli, which are microscopic blood arteries found inside the kidneys, work furiously to filter creatine because it is a waste product. When evaluating kidney function, the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, which measures how well the kidneys remove creatinine from the blood, is crucial. Creatine demonstrates its versatility by being essential for preserving your body's delicate acid-base balance. Consider it a maestro conducting your internal orchestra to a melodic pH symphony. Your cells produce acidic waste products as they go through numerous metabolic processes. Creatine joins the ranks of other molecules, such as bicarbonate, to neutralize these acids and maintain a steady pH, preventing your body from becoming overly acidic. Maintaining the balance of your bodily processes is essential. We'll dive into creatine's unexpected role in glucose metabolism and how it adds another degree of blood sugar control. Think of it as a protector of the equilibrium of glucose, ensuring that your blood sugar stays within a healthy range. Be prepared for a bombshell regarding how creatine affects protein turnover, making it an essential component of muscle growth and health. Creatine becomes a marker of the total rate of protein metabolism when your muscles change and respond to exercise or tissue repair. It's like your body has a watchful detective monitoring the development and health of your muscles. Be prepared to be astounded by creatine's prominent position in the field of medicine administration. You see, the kidneys are essential for your body's removal of medicines and their metabolites. When your kidneys are working properly, they effectively filter out creatine, keeping levels in your blood steady. Your kidney's capacity to eliminate medications, however, may be compromised if you have kidney disease, which could result in drug toxicity. Your doctor can properly determine how well your kidneys are working by evaluating your creatinine clearance, and they can adjust the dosage of your medications accordingly. Similar to a tailored prescription, it will guarantee your safety and effective care. As we learn more about the potential connections between creatine and neurological health, our quest takes a fascinating turn. Could this tiny chemical have greater potential than we previously thought? We'll uncover the mysteries around its potential effects on your brain and cognitive health. According to recent studies, creatine may have an impact on the brain's neurotransmitter systems, which are crucial for nerve cell communication. This opens up intriguing ideas regarding creatine's contribution to a range of neurological disorders and cognitive processes. The brain-creatine relationship is unquestionably a topic of growing interest and intrigue, even though the precise mechanisms are still being investigated. An even closer look at creatine's crucial significance as a marker for determining muscle mass and protein turnover is the next step in our exploration of its wonders. Creatine and muscle metabolism are tightly related. As we already mentioned, the rate at which your muscles constantly break down and reassemble proteins is known as muscle protein turnover, and it directly correlates to the amount of creatine produced. Regular exercise causes microtrauma to your muscles, and creatine then reflects how quickly they are healing and regenerating. Creatine can be a useful tool for both doctors and fitness enthusiasts to evaluate muscle function and customize workout routines for the best outcomes. It's time to accept the reality that creatine has a negative side as we continue our investigation. We'll discuss potential dangers, such pharmaceutical combinations, false diagnosis of kidney illness, and particular difficulties in appropriately identifying older patients. Although creatine is a useful indicator of renal health, it is crucial to interpret test results correctly. Certain elements can temporarily change creatinine levels, which can result in incorrect diagnosis. For instance, brief rises in creatinine levels caused by dehydration or a high protein consumption can simulate renal disease. When diagnosing renal problems, medical experts carefully analyze other clinical data and employ a holistic approach to reduce unwarranted concerns. Additionally, several drugs can affect creatinine levels, particularly those that affect kidney function. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications and specific antibiotics may cause acute renal injury or chronic kidney disease, which can result in high creatine levels. Medical professionals must closely monitor patients taking these drugs and modify treatment strategies as necessary. But the tale's not over yet. Due to the intricate changes in the mother's biology, creatinine levels may fluctuate during pregnancy. The transformational process of pregnancy places special demands on the body, including adjustments to blood volume, hormonal changes, and accelerated metabolic rates. Both renal function and creatinine levels may be impacted by these changes. For medical practitioners, correctly interpreting pregnant patients' creatine readings requires striking a careful balance between the welfare of the mother and the fetus. Science is constantly evolving. Learn about the most recent developments in creatine research that could fundamentally alter how we use this molecule as a prognostic and diagnostic tool. To leverage the power of creatine for medical improvements, researchers are constantly looking for novel approaches. Innovative technologies are providing previously unheard of insights into the dynamic connections between creatine and numerous physiological systems. Examples include imaging methods and biomarker analysis. Innovative therapeutic methods, personalized medicine, and increased diagnosis accuracy for a variety of medical problems are all potential benefits of these cutting-edge technologies. We've come out of this incredible voyage with a plethora of knowledge about creatine, a little molecule with a myriad of roles and possible dangers. Remember, being aware of the complexity of creatine allows us to make decisions that are best for our health and well-being. Creatine shines as a multifaceted diamond within the inner workings of our systems, playing a vital part in kidney health and glucose homeostasis, in addition to acting as the engine of muscular energy metabolism. Its importance as a tool for managing medications, a factor in brain health, and a marker for muscle health further establishes its position as a crucial component in our pursuit for the best possible well-being. We sincerely appreciate you all joining us on this thrilling scientific voyage, science enthusiasts. If this experience sparked your interest, don't forget to click the like button and tell other curious people about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating details on the marvels of nature.